today's video, I am filming this in the future, so I have already done everything in this video. I'm coming at you
from the future.
I decided to take a few days to just try and get my life together. My life has been complete shit lately. I haven't been cleaning the way I should. I haven't been prioritizing, you know, my health, my self-care, everything like that. I have moved and life has just been so hectic. And then I also struggle with binge eating, so my eating habits have not been the best. So I decided one day after work, I need to get my life together. I really do. So I came home and was like, yeah, we're doing this right now, today. I don't care if we still got on work clothes, it's whatever. Let's go ahead and roll those clips. So the first thing I want to do is try to clean up my room. My room is looking horrible right now. I really need to tidy up. I've been working on getting everything put up. I just recently moved, so most of the stuff is just in boxes on the floor, and it's been like this for weeks and I'm tired of it. I just really want to declutter, get a clean head. Before I do that, I just got back from work. I think what's gonna make me the most productive is putting on like some kind of athletic wear to clean up in. So I'm gonna go change and I'll be right back. I've changed clothes. I'm in the productive headspace. This room just looks horrible. I'm not even done decorating. I've just been putting it off. By the way, this set is from the Girlfriend Collective. I will link it down below. I believe I got this in a size 3X. It's so comfortable, cozy. I love it. Let's get to cleaning. So I haven't even started and I'm like already sweaty because my husband forgot to turn on the AC. He went to work and I came home and it was 77 degrees. So it's like really hot and the AC's on and it's trying to like cool down the whole house. So yeah, I chose to do this at the absolute worst time, but it's gonna be okay. I'm just gonna start with taking everything that's on the floor, the baskets of clothes, the baskets of hangers, all the like comforters, everything, all the junk, and I'm gonna put it on the bed. This helps me out the most because it helps me get like a clean floor and I know everything on the bed I have to put up before I go to bed. So let's get started on that. So now everything that was on my floor is now on my bed. At least my room looks a lot cleaner. It's just an illusion. Everything just went to the bed. But now I'm gonna go ahead and focus on everything else besides the bed. My TV stand, my nightstand, all my other tables, everything else. I'm gonna focus on those and then save the worst for last, which is the bed. This is where my husband stores his PS4 and all of his games, and this thing is like horrible. I don't know how it got this bad, but let's get started. I don't even know why there's toilet paper on a TV stand, but I'm not gonna question it. Anyways. Attempt to get rid of some of this stuff on the bed. Not gonna lie, I just took like a 15-minute break, just a breather. Now let's go through some of this. This is from the comforter that I bought the other day. I'm just gonna put all the garbage in here.
Jazz, je crois que c'est le rythme que j'aime beaucoup. Ça vous excite? Il y a un rythme.
stinky one too. Okay guys, we're almost done. I literally have like one more step and it's to make my bed. You know, every girl that's getting her life together, you just feel so much better when you have a made bed. So let's get my bed made and see all the progress that we've done. This is exhausting. Girl, this is all you have left. You can do it. Time for my favorite part, the pillows. It makes the bed look so much more cozy. And we are done. I literally love this comforter set. I got it from Target. It is so cute. I love the color. So it's later in the night. I have on my matching PJ set from Target and I just wanted to have a little chat with you guys, kind of give you the story behind why I'm filming this. Basically, my life has been a wreck lately. My sleep schedule has been shit. My eating habits are really bad. Basically, my whole life is just a mess. Sorry, that's my dog, but I'm just kind of letting you guys go with me and trying to get my life back together and overall just help me feel better, healthier, the best me I can be. Not gonna lie, I literally just binge ate some chips and I've been really struggling on trying to fix my eating habits. So tomorrow I'm just gonna walk you guys through some healthier choices that I'm making with breakfast and everything like that. Hopefully, I do work tomorrow, so hopefully I'm able to show all of that. And hopefully we together can get our life back on track and get our life together.
Hey y'all, this quick little video. I love my wife, she loves me, and we're married. To our future kid, we love you. If you're watching this.
Stormy is our kid.
No, our future kid.
So you're saying we're getting another Stormy?
We're getting a kid. Good luck, Charlie. That's it, I just want to say that. I always want to say that.
I don't know if you guys caught that, but while I was opening my jump rope, I cut the wrong string. Are you fucking serious? This is what I get for trying to do a good thing. Oh my God. I could jump rope, but it just won't be with the weighted handles. It'll just be a string, but I also won't have handles to attach it. I'm so angry right now. I was so ready to go out there, get my workout done. I'm smiling, but on the inside, I'm really fucking angry. I was able to get it fixed temporarily. This is what we're going with. I'm ready to work out, so whatever. So it was at this point when I realized I really do not know how to jump rope. The grass really was not helping. Like, I was sucking. I kept messing up. I decided to move to this location, which was a mistake because there was even more grass. Then I got on my deck and I did even better. This lasted about 8 to 10 minutes till I finally just gave up. So I'm gonna make one of my favorite breakfasts, which is my loaded avocado toast. I never really made a name for it, but I make it all the time. I love it. Let's get started. I personally do not have time to cut an avocado every single day before work. So I just get these spicy guacamole packs from Walmart. First step, I preheat my oven to about 350. And today I'm gonna be making the like vegetarian version. No, I'm not a vegetarian. Sometimes I do try to make some meatless meals. I did try to go vegetarian once. It didn't go so well. Turns out I cannot have beans. I was tooting for days. So for the meat, I'm gonna use these Morningstar sausages. I take 2 and I put them in the air fryer for about 5 minutes. While the sausages cook, I take some kale and I line a baking sheet with foil, and then I put the kale, and I also put this bread that I got from Aldi's on there so it can toast while it's in the oven. I like to season it with garlic salt. While that cooks up, I'm gonna make some sunny side up eggs, whatever you call it. This is after I flipped them. I suck at making yolky eggs, but at least it did not break. I think I'm off to a good start. George. It looks so yummy to me. I don't know about y'all, but I like this. Let's do a taste test. Ooh. The yolk just spilled out. Really good. I need to go get a napkin. I did not think this through. I just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching me try to get my life back together. I think this is going to be all for the end of episode 1. If this is something you guys would like to see more often, definitely leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. If you'd like to keep up with these videos and see how I'm doing and we can fix our life together, definitely hit that subscribe button. I love you guys so much. Until next time, bye.